Hello everyone, my name is Arpan Anil Vache. I am student of SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today we will be discuss the topic of decision theory. Introduction. Decision theory is a branch of applied mathematics, strategic economics and philosophy that deals with the logic and process of making choice. It provides a systematic and rational framework to identify the best course of action among several alternatives, especially under condition of uncertainty or risk. Its core decision theory involves five key elements: the decision makers, the set of alternatives, possible actions, the states of nature, external conditions that influence outcomes, the outcomes result of each action state combination, and the payoff of utilize the value of preference attached to each outcome. The aim is to select the action that leads to the most desirable outcome based on defined criterion. Formal definition of decision theory. Decision theory is a formal framework for making logical choice in the face of uncertainty. It involves identifying and evaluating possible alternatives based on their outcomes and the likelihood of those outcomes, with the goal of selecting the option that maximizes expected utilize or satisfy a defined decision criterion. Formulating a decision problem can be defined as a tuple ASOPU, where A is equal to set of possible action alternatives, S is equal to set of possible states of nature, O is equal to set of outcomes resulting from each action state pair, P is equal to profitability distribution over the states in the case of risk, U is equal to utility function assign a value of each outcome. The objective is to choose an action a alpha that maximize the expected utility AU summation. This mode is the basis for both narrative how decisions should be and descriptive how decisions are actually made approaches to decision making. Next slide is why decision theory is used. Decision theory is used to improve the quality and rationality of decision making, especially in complex, uncertain or high stakes situations. Here are the main reasons why it is used. First, to make rational, structured decisions. It provides a systematic approach to choosing among alternatives by analyzing potential outcomes and their consequences logically. Second, to handle uncertainty and risk. Decision theory helps in making informed choice when outcomes are uncertain, using profitability and utility to guide decision under risk or ambiguity. Third, to maximize outcomes. It, it allows decision makers to choose the option that maximizes expected value or utility, leading to better overall result, whether in profit, health, effective or other goals. Four, to compare and evaluate alternatives. It provides tools like decision trees, payoff, matrices, and expected utility models to compare different strategies or action in a clear and objective ways. Fifth, to support strategic planning used in business, economics, healthcare, engineering, and AI. It supports long-term planning and resource allocation under uncertain future conditions to minimize regret and loss. Decision theory helps in identifying and avoiding poor choice by evaluating worst case scenarios. Example using the minimax or maximax criteria. Application of decision theory. Decision theory is a framework for making logical choosing under uncertainty. Is a wide application in various fields. Here are some key applications of decision theory. Business and management. In which decision choosing between different projects or stock based on expected returns and risk. Marketing strategy, selecting the best promotional strategy based on market analysis. Operation management, decision inventory level or supply chain routes under uncertain demand. Second, healthcare, decision and treatment selection, choosing the best medical treatment considering risk, benefits, and patient preference. Public health policies, evaluating vaccination strategies or disease outbreak response. Economic and finance, risk management, marketing decision about insurance, hedging or diversification. Policy formulation, government using decision theory to decision economic policy that account for uncertain outcomes. Then next slide, importance of decision theory. Decision theory is crucial because it provides a structured, logical approach to making choice, especially under conditions to uncertainty. Here are the main reasons why decision theory is important. Improve First, improve decision making quality. Second, reduce uncertainty and risk. Third, enhance efficiency. Fourth, facilitates rational thinking. Next slide, numerical example and solution. Conclusion, both projects have the same AMV for $80,000. If risk preference matters, a risk-averse decision makers might preference project A less variability. A risk-talent decision maker might not mind choosing either. Thank you for watching my video.